Here we will make a bill. For this is the price list. It is given the dishes different: fries, noodles, pastry and samosa. And in front of that item they written here the cost. You also have seen when you are going to the restaurant or in any store, any stationery store or any provisional store, they have a written on the wall or they make a board for the price list. Because the customer can easily catch this, what they need and how much they have to pay for that item. Now this is a bill. Here page is shown that the serial number, first column will come, item, quantity, how much we purchase, 1 plate, 2 plates or number of items there, price per item how many cost is there, and total amount. Yes, how we get the total amount? That if I take 2 plates, 3 plates, so I have to multiply by with the per item price, and so I have to pay a final amount of 3 plates. Yes. So let me do price. Price cost is here rupees 50. So we will write here the item name. Already I am written here. Price, quantity, only one. Price per item rupees 50. Yes. Let me write in a board. Rupees 50. So price only 1 plate, so rupees 50. Here also it comes 50. Noodles 1 plate, rupees. I take here very simple example. Then after the next example we will multiply and then write the amount. Noodles rupees 75 50 paisa. The third item pastry cost 200 rupees. Only one quantity, one item I have taken this pastry, only one piece. So pay 200. Samosa 105 rupees for one quantity. Now what we have to do? We have to add all this amount. This. So first we add the paisa. Paisa is only here 0, 0, 0, then 0 plus 5, 5, then here 0, so 50 paisa, 0 rupees, on the one place first we count 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, put 0 and carry to 1 on the tens place, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 0 plus 0. So we will come here, once is carry forward for the here, 100 place. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 rupees. So total amount is rupees 430 paisa. 30 rupees and 50 paisa. The total cost of bill here, the amount is rupees 430 rupees and 50 paisa. Students, we have take this second example of this making a bill. that the toy shop price list is toy car rupees 75, game rupees 180, tennis ball 10 rupees, teddy bear 70 rupees, crayons 92 rupees and 50 paisa. Here this price list is for per item. Okay, and now we will see how to make a bill. First we write here the serial number. Now we will write the item name. Toy car. If I purchase toy car only one, so the quantity we will write 1 and its cost is rupees 75. So the total amount is also rupees 75. Our next item, game. For example, I purchase the game here 2. Yes. The game I purchase 1. So I write it here. Game quantity 1 rupees 180 paisa. So total amount is rupees 180 paisa. Tennis ball. Here tennis ball cost for 1 10 rupees and I purchase 4 tennis balls. So in third serial number 3, tennis ball, how much quantity? 4. And per it is cost 10. So 10 into 4, 40 rupees. So we will write here the price per cost 10 and here in the total the tennis amount, 4 tennis ball amount rupees 40, 0 paisa. The fourth item, teddy bear. Teddy bear cost is, I purchase here the teddy bear 2. Yes. The per teddy bear item cost is 70 rupees. I purchase 2. So write here the quantity 2 and per teddy bear cost is 70, 0 paisa. And when we write in the amount for the 2 teddy bear 70 into 2. 7 into 2, 7 2s are 40. So 140. 140 rupees. 0 paisa. Now the fifth item, crayons. I purchased the crayons only 1 pack. So 1 packet, 1 quantity, rupees 92.50 paisa. And its amount also same as 92.50 paisa. Now we have to add all these items amount and final our how much we have to pay them. So let me add this all item. Start from the paisa on the this ones place 0 0 0. Then 10 place 0 0 0 only 5. So 50 paisa. Now for the rupees we add from the tens ones place first 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 7 plus 8 15 15 plus 4 15 plus 4 19 19 plus 4 23 23 plus 9. Here we have to write down 23 plus 9. Now we add tens. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 9, 32, 2 will write here, 3 will carry forward to 100 place. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So the final amount of this all item we purchased, we have to pay rupees 527.50 paisa. So this is the method for making bill. Students, at your home also you have a old bill, or while you are now purchasing anything, you ask for the bill and you just read and just recognize how the items quantity and the amount they written, and do the practice at home. In your textbook also given the exercise, and same way this is the this type of method also have given to do the practice or for that. And let me conclude our this chapter. First of all, we see that the Indian currency, that our rupees, different rupees note and coins, then international currency, that which country has running that currency. Next we have covered this rupees converted into paisa and how we will write in the together rupees and paisa by putting the dot. Then we see that objects, that the expansion form of the rupees, then the object has given, we have to match the amount, and object has we have to find out the rupees, whatever the expansion of the notes are given, we have to denominator we match with that. Yes, and lastly we see this making bill. So student, do the practice in your textbook, notebook, and make it concept clear.